The goal of our customers, as well as of us designers, is to provide inline machining and cutting centers that allow for a quick return on investment. Today, to be competitive and have a profitable industrial production, in addition to execution speed, it is essential to manage many other factors: profile variability, resource optimization, inventory containment, reduction of rework, and quick changeovers. Only in this way is the number of parts produced per shift maximized. One of the main factors of inefficiency common to all machine tools is the time required for setup. Our systems operate in a sector, the machining of extruded profiles, where this problem is even more evident because the variety of sections and formats is enormous, and every profile change requires a complete reconfiguration of the transport, support, and clamping system. We have solved this problem in a structural way. In fact, we have equipped our machines with a profile feeding system designed to handle a wide range of sections effortlessly and without any manual intervention. This means that every format change happens automatically, with no time wasted, no risk of error, and a tangible impact on the productivity of the system. Going into detail, the system consists of 5 main elements: the loading roller conveyor, the profile tilting devices, the templates for compensating geometric irregularities, the aligning rollers, and the profile gripper. The large monitor above the loading magazine clearly shows the operator how to position the profile. After passing through the accumulation buffer and reaching the loading roller conveyor, the tilting, compensation, and aligning devices work together to lock the profile in the optimal working position identified by the control software. The position is optimized both for subsequent processing and to minimize the contact surfaces between the machine and the profile, thus preventing possible scratches or marks that would require reworking. The software is able to select the best profile orientation because the 4-axis controlled profile gripper can adapt to the position and seek out the best gripping condition. All these operations are managed in a completely automated manner. Every phase and positioning measurement is called up at the right moment by the control software without any operator intervention to guarantee each customer's maximum production efficiency.